Hi guys, yeah, my name is Jason from Med School. So what I want to share with you now in this video is actually we're gonna analyze the market for next week. So today is Saturday, so market had closed. So what I usually do during the weekend would be redraft all my chart again. Okay, if you want to know how to draw all this SR line and also how to take entries and what we look for the trend, just see the rest of my videos in my YouTube channel. It's yeah, it's there. So if you want to follow me on, you want to ask any question about the setup, yeah, we have our free online class on the Telegram as well. And if you want to follow our free signals, just join our free signal group. So what I usually do during the weekend is I will draft out all the charts, so and analyze one by one. Then see how the following week we're gonna take trades. We're gonna trade it. We don't invest it. So we are trade. I'm a trader. So usually I'll look at 1 hour and trade the chart lah, trade the particular pair. What I focus on in this video will be all the 7 majors pair. So this particular 7 majors pair, um, so now we are looking at Euro versus USD. So what we can see here, Euro versus USD has formed a trend actually here. After it broke out from the constellation here, see it did broke out and go through and retry again. So it created a trend here. So how can we take this trade? It's you see price have been rejecting twice here already, and there's a SR line just right above it. Can we see? Can you see it? Yep. So if the price goes back near here and created a candlestick pattern like this, 3 bar, usually in 1 hour, I will do 3 bar one. But because this is a retracement itself, I will call this a third time retracement. If you have followed the rest of my videos previously, you will kind of like have heard me saying that market is very kind. They always give us second chance, third chance for us to do re-entry. So this is the third chance, I would say. So first chance, we have TP out already. Second chance, we TP already. The third chance came in, so we will take it. For this third chance, I will actually do a instant entry if the price reach here. If the price reach around this area, which is from opening on Monday about 10, 20 pips above, I would actually press sell and put my SL around here, which is very sufficient. If you guys, this is more or less like a aggressive entry, I would say. This area is an aggressive SL. If you want to have a more safe SL, you put it all the way up here. Because for this structure, for me to for me to buy, it need to go back up and create a new high here. I'll just show you. Okay, see, if the price reach here and close above here, it created a new high. And then there's a chance that the price might fall down again and go up. But for now, we are following what's going on here only. See, price comes down, went sideways, comes down again. So we are continuing this trend only. If this price break here, it's still a sell to me. Until it broke here, only I will consider a buy. I'll look for some buys around here. So this is how I analyze chart for Euro USD. So hope you guys understand. It's a retracement entry. It's no longer a price action or sorry, a candlestick pattern entry, but it's a retracement entry already for this. So this is Euro USD. Price comes down, sideways goes down. Now, next I will talk about Pound USD. Pound USD works almost the same, but there's no breakout from this particular sideways market. It did a false break here, but it came back down and retest here and come back up again and then come back down again, and yeah, it's kind of stuck here now. So same, I would actually follow this trend into this sideways. So if you ask me to buy, I would actually want to follow what happened previously. If price comes down, go sideways, I would sell around here. But for this sell, I can do an immediate entry also because price had failed here already. It did a false break. So false break comes down, then I sell again. So where can I do my sell? It's around this area again. So if it enters here, my SL, this is, let's say the price reach around this area, then I did an entry. Okay, this I would call aggressive. Okay, if you put here, this is aggressive, this is moderate, this is safe. There's there's 3 SL that we can consider. See, if the price reach here, it's not broken yet. It's just created a false break until this price actually close. We're talking about a close. Close means that the candlestick bull of the closing price actually close above this whole area. But for this, for me to buy, it must close above this area now, not this area. For me to sell this down, it's around here. I would actually sell around here already and put my SL around here or here. Okay. How I derive this line is actually from the day. Oh, the blue color one is the day. If you see, I mark this is back in July 2019 SR, and this is August 2019 SR area. So you can mark that as well. If you don't mark this, also now mine, it still works the same. It's just that it's more obvious only. Okay, SR line works as a guideline, not really a holy grail here. It's just a guideline for us to take entries. That's why we must take care of our money management as well. Then back into USD franc Swissy. So Swissy went all the way sideways and broke. It broke AD, retest the same area, go up higher. So once it go up higher, it went up higher again. So what I want to look for in this setup is no longer a this one. I would actually wait for price action. Sorry, candlestick pattern. See, there's no entry for me to take. There's no indication saying that I can buy here. You see, it just broke already, come back down and retrace without any particular action here. There's no form of price rejection that I'm looking for. And it went up all the way up here, then come back down here again. So at this area, I would want to see how the price stays or break back. Will it break back into this particular consolidation or this sideways market, or will it actually bounce here again? If it bounce here again, I would wait for a 3-hour price candlestick pattern for me to do a buy, and then my SL, depending how where this candle close. If this candle start to close below this area, for example, below this area, okay, and broke here again, below this higher low, I would actually want to sell. I would actually want it to sell already around here. See, I will no longer want to buy it. If it's reject back into this area, not inside this sideway console area, I would do a buy. So this one I'm still waiting for to see what will happen. So we will monitor further this particular pair. So then we talk about Aussie USD. If we talk about Aussie USD, then yeah, this is a very nice sell. I can actually sell here already and put my SL right above here. Would be aggressive here, would be safe. That's the only thing. So what's this? Oh, that's a line here. Let's delete it off. That's not there. Okay, same line. All right. So yep. So it's safe here. Safe, moderate, right above this particular uh, tested high. For this, if we were to look at Aussie USD, it's still in the range actually. Yeah, 1 second, 8 minutes. All right, it's still actually in the range. So yep, I'll continue this on the next part of the video, the part 2 side. So I'll see you on part 2.